The 2025 inflation forecast for South Africa has been revised lower, according to the Central Bank commissioned survey. Analysts now expect inflation to be 4.3%, down from 4.5%. Moreover, January's inflation was 3.2% and growth predictions for 2025 were lowered to 1.5 to 1.2%, below the government's 1.9% forecast. Inflation for 2026 remains steady at 4.6%. Meanwhile, February inflation data due Wednesday is expected to remain near the 3.2%. Economists predict the central bank will pause rate cuts on Thursday. Professor Waldo Krugell comments on the survey results.
Economic textbooks say that inflation is a process. A shock to fuel or food increases prices, but it only becomes inflation once there's a cycle of price and wage increases. And that's why inflation expectations matter. If people expect that inflation is low and stable, it moderates their wage claims as well as the price increases that firms can pass on. The Reserve Bank pays attention to this in their repo rate decisions. The good news is that inflation expectations are lower, according to a quarterly survey by the Bureau of Economic Research. Analysts, business people, and trade unionists expect an average inflation rate of 4.3% this year. That is well within the inflation target range and means that the ZARB does not need to increase the repo rate to preempt inflation. But it's also the case that a number of other factors influence their decisions. The expectation is that they will keep the repo rate unchanged on Thursday while waiting out global political uncertainties and the impact of President Trump's tariff wars.